Okay, I have in here, I have a dirty lens, it looks like. Anyways, I have in here a big lead acid battery. This is a SLA battery pack that's got 24 small packs in it. Now I went with this pack originally because I got this cheap. It's $100. It was out of a server bay, so it's a backup UPS battery bank for servers if the power goes out. Anyways, it was wired for 48 volts. I rewired it to 12 volts. Had all these handy stuff like battery kill switch and everything. I got this line for charging it off the alternator. Anyways, it's served me well. It's been a good battery pack. I like the form factor, how it fits right up against the wall there. However, I think it's, now that I'm redesigning the interior of this van, the battery needs to move from there because I'm putting in this mini split air conditioner, and that is going to be cut a big hole here, and that's going to go there and sit right inside here. So this battery needs to move, and as I design the rest of the layout, the place I need the battery to be is above the wheel well there. Well, this thing weighs a ton. I don't like that. So it's a good time to swap out batteries. And I have these batteries. I had two of these, which are out of a Fiat 500 electric car that have been sitting on my shelf for a couple of years. They're lithium ion batteries, and I've been trying to figure out what to do with them. The problem is they are 5 cells, which is a nominal voltage of 18 volts, and the van runs off of 12 volts. Everything's on 12 volts. I thought about doing a step-down converter, but what I decided to do anyway instead is take the battery apart, and I took one cell out. So I had to cut this metal very carefully, get down to the cells. Since there's 5 cells in it, that's a nominal voltage of 14.4, 14.8. It's 18 volts with this one. So I took out one cell, and now we're in the range of being able to use it with a 12 volt system. Since the alternator of the van puts out 14.1, 14.4 volts, the alternator now will charge these batteries, and I can set the solar charger to run them also. Then I can work with a 12 volt inverter to run the mini split air conditioner. So that's the plan. These things you can find on eBay for like 300 bucks a piece, and this is 64 amp hour batteries, minus the one, so it'll probably be about 50 amp hours. So these two combined is 100 amp hours of lithium energy for, I've seen them as low as like 200 bucks a battery. So it's an option that I'm going with since I have these on hand and I need to use them, so we'll give them a try. Should work good.